How's it going, everybody? It's EvrettMX, and we have Full Throttle.
Hi. Okay.
He is gonna be out in a second, but we are gonna go ride. I know it's been a long time. Okay, sorry about that. Not necessarily exclusive content, but just like sneak peek. Go follow my Instagram. I follow his Instagram. Mostly practicing wheelies and kind of just riding around. So see you guys out there.
Good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed.
Yeah, let's get back out here and ride.
Mine gets separated into three minutes and 1 second videos. All the clips are in 3 minutes. That's why my videos are so short. I just pick whatever ones I want.
Mine gets separated into 17 minutes, but it's fine. Whatever.
Everyone falls down sometime.
There we go,
But you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, some days you wake up and nothing works. You feel surrounded. Gotta give your feet some gravity to get you grounded. Keep good things inside your ears just like the waves and sound it. And just say whatever, cause there is no way you're grounded. Everyone falls down sometimes. But you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed.
Jesus Christ! Jesus!
Feeling blessed,
You fall sick that
never
thing.
stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, some days you wake up and nothing works. You feel surrounded. Gotta